Hello and welcome to this lecture, which I title The Reality of Organic Online Marketing Today. We all have products or services out there that we hope to make an income from. I'm selling, you're selling, we're all doing it, and there are literally millions of us out there trying to build client base and sales to make profits that each of us need. As a result, each of us in one form or another is being inundated with offers from others. Some are direct targeted selling attempts sent our way because we fit a profile. We can't read an article we are interested in without running a gauntlet of interspersed ads and pop-up screens. Everyone wants to partner with us to jointly achieve results, while each of us is hoping the other person truly will help us succeed and that our promising to help them in return doesn't take a lot of our valuable time or any of our money. And spam email is at an all-time high, and it takes time each day just to delete the high quantity of messages coming into our inboxes. Now, through features on websites like log in with your Google or Facebook account to avoid going through setting up yet another access somewhere when you want to get to useful information that you know is behind someone else's firewall, you are automatically giving these sites your contact and email information so they can start emailing you with offers just by logging in using these features. And so your inundation of offers grows, as does the offers everyone else is receiving. It is now a volume game, and virtually every person I talk to about this is tired of the volume of sales content they receive, and they are becoming ever more leery about taking advantage of any gift offers that come their way. I tried an experiment in this regard just the other day. I took literally my top online training course that had taken me hundreds of hours to build and which I charged $497 for at retail on my website, and tried to give it away for free to several thousand targeted prospects via YouTube, LinkedIn, Google+, and a few more social sites that I am a part of. And not one single person took me up on the offer and signed up for the course. The quality was there. The content was valuable, and if people had taken the time to look, they would have seen that. Yet not one person signed up for the course. Did I try to market it incorrectly? Perhaps, and I thought through that possibility as well. We as marketers are being sold on just about every type of sales aid that people can conceive of, with a view to trying to stand out so we can make a sale. Beautiful lead capture pages, flashy video intros, pop-up email capture screens and gift giveaways. We're running contests, surveys, asking for input from people we don't know, creating videos using hand-drawn tools or stick people, etc. Do you as a person online trying to make a buck ever just get tired of the sheer volume of things you are trying to do just to get attention and to get a sale out there these days? Some mornings I wake up thinking, well, should I put something on LinkedIn? Do another video, post in a Facebook group, try to improve my website SEO today, etc. What should I attempt next when I have done it all 1,000 times before with mixed results? How do I spend my time in trying to generate sales and prospects? And then I sit for a moment and I realized with, I guess you could call it an epiphany if you like, that the one thing that I have not thought of to do, or maybe I did in the back of my mind and then tried to squelch the thought, is to just get out there and really start connecting with people one-on-one. This is by far the hardest thing to do online. It's easy to spend a few dollars on a new content marketing campaign, or to boost post some content that you've created, or publish an article somewhere, such as what I'll be doing with this when I get to the end of it, or posting some sales or gift pitch to a group that I belong to, or liking something someone else posted, etc., or leaving a brief comment in the hopes of getting some backlink credits. But the hard thing to do is to actively go out there and see what others are doing, to think about what they were doing for a change instead of what I'm trying to achieve, and to take the time to actually communicate with them somehow and add value to them first before I try talking about myself and my products. And saying something superficial like, "Hi Dave, nice site you have there. I like what you're doing. Now here is something that I think will sell and that would really help you." This doesn't even remotely cut it with the other person. Trust me, they will instantly know that they are just a target for your latest sales approach. Through my life, the real friendships that I have built all have taken time. Months and years as opposed to nanoseconds. And I submit to you that even though sales aids and technology and the ability to reach millions in seconds has improved dramatically in the last few years or so, people have not changed. They are out on the internet looking for information they can trust that isn't tied to a sales pitch. They are looking to build new friendships, and they want to belong to things they respect and can promote honestly within their own hearts. If you want to sell something to them, they have to believe in you first. So what do? First, you have to show them that you care. Learn about them individually and then do something for them or share something of yourself that is real, that they can trust and respond to. If you then have something they can learn about and possibly purchase without feeling pushed into buying from you, they can become your customers and evangelists for your products as well as friends. But have them become friends or believers in you first. A few real friends on the internet helping you out are worth thousands of people you have made direct blind sales pitches to. That's all for this post. Bye for now.